this live so that all of you, join in to one, not just celebrate, because he's based in Bhubaneswar, he's built something that we've not seen ever before, but also how can we support, how can we contribute? And because somewhere I think that a solution like this, if it was done anywhere in the world, everyone would be talking about it. He's been doing it all alone and brought it to us. How can we support? But before you believe me, just let's get him to, let's just see what his device can do.
Hi, thank you everyone. Thank you, Shraddha, and your story. So now we are going to test the health parameters for Shraddha. So can you just place your finger here?
Yeah.
No, this one.
Yes. Sorry.
So the device started collecting the data. So test is done. For her, hemoglobin is 12.4, oxygen saturation is 98, bilirubin is 0.82, creatinine is 0.73, and random glucose is 120. So all these tests done within less than 10 seconds.
Wow.
And you are healthy, Shraddha.
Thank you so
much. Now we can
much.
transfer this report to you to your WhatsApp.
I'm waiting.
Yep. Yes.
If there's any delay, then it's not in his sending, but it's in the Wi-Fi connection, maybe over here.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I got the report, and here is the report. My report is here. All of you can see this. And this device he's built out of Bhubaneswar. And because for blood test, Hamesha blood test hai that blood, you need to have an injection, creatinine test, bilirubin ke liye, sab ke liye you need that injection. But now this is non-invasive, and we all know in this pandemic world that how powerful this device is. So Partho, tell me what how do you want to take this to everyone in the country, and why did you build this? Very quickly tell us.
So Shraddha, actually in our country, 1/3 people are from the rural India, and they always believe in the preventive healthcare. So if somebody falling sick, then they go to the doctor, and then doctor started diagnose, and then they detect like somebody have the liver problem, the lungs problem, the kidney problem, have maybe the high sugar and all. So this device can be give you the instant result within 10 seconds and within less than 30 rupees.
Yeah.
So people can understand what is the basic problem he have. So then based on that, they can take it forward. So we can save his life, we can save the money, we can save the secondary and the tertiary care
hemoglobin
expenses.
is a very big problem, right?
Yes. So our country's national problem is the hemoglobin problem.
Yeah, and so many deaths happen during pregnancy also because of this.
Yes. And we are also losing around 200 children in every hour due to this hemoglobin, bilirubin, and the parameters like creatinine and random blood glucose.
So see this device now with this in 30 rupees, you can get all your parameters, and you don't even have to take an injection to do that. You get your report in 10-20 seconds on your mobile. Now this needs to reach everyone in this country, and today we are here. I'm here with Partho because we need to support him, and it's not about supporting him, it is supporting everyone in our country. And I'm very surprised that he's not raised some massive VC money or anything like that. He got support, some grant from Indian Oil, so which he wants to call out, because usne apne device mein, I asked him, why do you have Indian Oil, and they supported him. But how do we make sure that through this device reaches every hospital, so that nobody has any challenge in getting these tests done non-invasively?
And ma'am, interestingly, we completed the clinical trial having the accuracy of more than 95%. Also, we get the CDSCO certifications. Now we are working for the C certification for reaching to the international market.
Wow. This is phenomenal, Partho. We are very proud of you and what you're doing at EZERX. I always have problem pronouncing it.
EZERX.
EZERX. Please talk to people in your network. let's make sure that we support this innovation from India, and this has potential to impact everyone, not in our country, but across the world.
Ma'am, interestingly, like for the age, after the age of 45 to 50, 1 out of every 12 adult having the chronic kidney disease. Around 80% people having the age of more than 45 having the diabetic problem. So 2 out of every 3 women in our country having the hemoglobin issues, and 1 million people are getting the liver problems every year. So it's a big issues, and if we can detect in the bottom of the pyramid, then it's a biggest game changing in the healthcare sector.
Yeah, Partho, what you have done is commendable, and I'm sure this is just a start. I know the plan you have after getting this information, right? Tomorrow you are looking at getting information for a lot more health parameters.
So now we are looking for to deploy the device to the B2B model, like hospital, doctor's chamber, clinics, and then government, state government and central government schemes, hospitals, CSR, NGO partners, to reach the technology to the bottom of the pyramid in India, across pan India.
Wow. Thank you so much. But we're doing this live so that it reaches all of you, and through you, if you know anyone, how can we make sure that Partho and what he has built reaches everyone, and it can create impact. 30 rupees mein sare test ho jana blood ko lekar is a big thing. So let's make sure that genuinely we support it.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm looking for funding as well as the connections to deploy the device in India and abroad.
Okay. Thank you, Partho. All the very best.
Thank you.